Guys, welcome back. This is Daniel again here at Reinhardt Equipment, located here at 3556 Martha Berry Highway here in Rome, Georgia, bringing you another awesome used machine here to talk about. This is a 2016 T590. This machine is absolutely loaded with options, has been checked front and rear by our Bobcat technicians. Stuff you'll find is enclosed cab, joysticks, automatic bob attach, heat and air. This machine's got loaded. We'll go ahead and hop in it for you and let you see how it runs. This machine's extremely smooth, guys. This is like a brand new one. Go ahead and throttle it up here a little bit. Bucket actuator is awesome. Go ahead and take it all the way up. Joysticks is my personal preference. All right, we'll make a left-hand turn. The tracks and the rollers are extremely smooth, guys. Again, huge thanks for checking out our videos. Continue to stay tuned in to our YouTube page. Got stuff coming out all the time, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.